Hi, this is Sakila, and I am presenting you my projects, and that's titled as Holographic Heritage. That's related to articraft. You could interactive or showcase all of the interactive historical things on there. You could find my Zoom link over here, though. So my project description is such as like I'm trying to create a digital interaction that can utilize to both audience and then without the needs of physical artifacts, of course, because it's like our country is like going through a 3D more and more. And for this projects I'm using like holographic display with the photogrammetry and then showcase detailed 3D model of historical artifacts, and then of course we want to immerse in the educational experience for the audience and the visitors. My mission is to interact with interactive artifact that can spark curiosity of audience, like fostering learning, showcasing preserve cultural heritage without the physical thing into there. And then you could engage all the digital technology and make them accessible to the wider audience. My audience are ranging from infants to the older people. They are welcome to visit the museum, and then while doing this projects, I came across towards like the essence needs how to showcase an artifact media that can provide historical artifact and then curiosity. And the only challenge I think I'll come across these projects will be there will be limited access to the physical artifacts, or it could be no physical artifacts while presenting into the hologram device. Let's break down my idea into different variable components. So first idea would be main message, like while utilizing the technology, I wanted to build a gap between people and historical artifacts that enable us to feel and discovery that artifacts easier, and then they learn how it was made into the historical component, how it was made into like the history that can come to the life through the digital innovations. And they could also explore ancient relic into like a new and immersive way. Yeah, well, the technology have all the access to the cultural heritage, so of course we'll be able to do that. um, if you have any question, feel free to leave any into my emails or any questions. Well, the questions I have would be, how can we ensure accuracy and authenticity in digital representation of artifacts, and what interactive media will be best to engage people and visitors? Well, maybe our main focus would be children and how we could let them know about it more. My project goal would be showcasing photogrammetry project into the holographic display with animated explanation and on the interactive screen for exploration of artifacts, and then how it was created, like showing the process and component, what kind of component of the artifact is. And we could also provide educational content like QR codes, interactive quiz like nearby them, and then showcasing how the artifact was built within the time frame. Well, I have some kind of really rough sketch, like how to represent the holographic display with the pen and paper. Um, so that might help you to give more understanding about these projects. Um, I'm thinking to create or replacing that artifacts hologram into here onto the glass, where staff and audience are likely closer interact with each other instead of like replacing the glass with the hologram object into here and then displaying onto the here. So they have all those information about it, and then maybe like displaying a touch screen inside the lab, um, and then the staff might help to navigate them how it work on here, and then trying to display that artifact into the four-sided. I don't have like all the details specifically, but I could give you some research about hologram size. It's depend on the cost and then this time frame, what kind of media we wanted to choose. And one of the thing I came across, like creating a magnificent glass nearby towards the audience over here so they can view it much more closer way, and and how it was done into the part of construction would be the best. Well, thanks for listening my today's video, and see you.